are. We're back. It's been a while. Yeah, I've been off for a few weeks off Twitch, off YouTube. Been tired. There's a reason for that. Massive new chapter in my life, changes. I think the last time I streamed was sometime in March, and now we're in May. So I pretty much spent all of April off. But I've been busy. Been busy with a new job. Been busy with a new friend. So first of all, hello, welcome to my weekly stream, which hopefully we'll be able to keep on track with these things. Big announcements. Yeah, I got a new job. I am now Shopee Folk. So I've been working onboarding with Shopify for the last month, and I'm loving it. It's so good. So many nice people all around the world. Really enjoying that. It's a big new chapter for me, and so far it's been really good. So do ask me questions about things. I can hopefully answer any of your questions about what it might be like to like kind of work at Shopify. Only things which I can divulge publicly, but I'm more than happy to share my kind of enthusiasm with you guys. Also, I got a new friend. He is down here introducing actually Indigo Discam Tadashi. He's absolutely pooped out right now. But this is my dog. He's 13 weeks old, so just over 3 months old now. And yeah, he's been keeping me super busy for the last month, I think. Waking up at multiple times in the night to make sure he goes out and doesn't make a mess of himself. Keeping him entertained, keeping him fed. And I just took him out for a little walk now and a run, and he is absolutely poofed. But we might see some activity from him maybe a little bit later on, but allow him to rest this off while we get back onto some code. So, again, how have you been? Do throw into the chat, say hi. I've made a whole bunch of new friends all around the world, and hopefully some of my friends locally tune in regularly. A big hello to Hex and Crazy Kitty. If you are tuned in from Norway, I hope it's actually starting to become a bit spring over there, because I knew it was a bit rainy and snowy over there. It was raining and snowing yesterday here in Manchester, UK. It's May the 4th. It was May the 4th yesterday, and it rained. But today is sunny, as you can see in the background. It's still light, and I think it will be light for the rest of this stream. So, enough of me talking. Let's go into this side. Close down my levels and the playlist which I'm playing right now. If you're interested in the music, you can see right at the top is a now playing, which is playing right now. It should be in sync. Yes, it is. And the one I use is a Focus Beats by Epidemic Sound. I have a license for those, so I can play it on stream, and I should not get any copyright strikes, which is great. So there's no cuts in audio on the pre-records if you're listening back on this in the future. So yeah, they have them on Spotify, which is really good and handy, so I can just jump into here and I don't have to play it through a browser, in case I just accidentally quit the browser, which I've done a few times. So we'll close that down, close down the restream, if it allows me. There we go. And so you're probably wondering, what have I been doing for the last month? We still are working on the Soulection Tracklists / selection. Yes, the website Soulection.com is going to be taking the track list, and we're building it fully out. So it looks quite a bit different than what you last seen. Where we've had Dorian, the designer. He's been doing an absolute stunning job. I actually love his designs. It's really helped me get this. We've gone through so many iterations and settled on this nice little dark theme. So this is the homepage of the site. We still have a few things which we want to iron out on this site, which we're hoping to release this weekend. Fingers crossed. I've got most of the keys to get it done. just waiting for some feedback from the Soulection crew, Joe K and all that, to give the thumbs up that we can go. But other than that, the site is practically there and good to go. That said, I have a few things we need to fix, some data to fix. So today's stream, I'm thinking it's going to be, let's hit off some of those issues, some of the pixel things, and I can talk about where I am in the site as I'm going through. Again, throw in some questions if you got any. It'd be interesting to see like what you think of the site. Do send some feedback. I'm just going to say to my guys, oh, we are live. Yep. Okay, so this is the homepage. It looks really nice in a dark theme. It's easy on my eyes, hopefully yours. And the first thing which I noticed on this homepage when I go into mobile view and just go into here is when we scroll on down to one of these pieces of art, there was on my mobile screen a little edge like that. You see what happens here? I want this artwork to stay centered on mobile, because if there's that sizing, it looks a bit off. I'm going to fix that as a first thing, just while it's still in my head. So I've got the code editor open here. Hopefully this is right. Yep, this is the right one. And we've got the site loaded up on localhost 3000. We're actually using Nuxt.js on this project. We still have. It's gone through a whole bunch of iterations. The data is served from Supabase, a Postgres database, and it's working okay. There's a few performance-y things. Hopefully it doesn't bite me when we launch the site, but that's the best I have been able to do in a very, very limited time, which I've had. So each of these sections are, I called them heroes. So they're going to be in components, home, and heroes. And this one's going to be the kind of, it's going to be records hero. We can get rid of this. So we hide panel. You can see we got our records title here. And we got our slogan piece there. And now we got our artwork, which is 1/2 and with auto on a large. So I'm wondering, what do I need to do to, oh, I clicked on that then. What do I need to do to get this to sit central? I'm going to quickly try some things. Text, line, center. Ha! There we go, that would be the easy fix. Text, center. So we save that, refresh the page. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of refreshing pages. There we go. That's looking like it's nice and central. But we want that to be text left when it's medium size. So when we go over to a larger size, it boop into the correct orientation there. That should be fine. But we need to do it for each one of those sections. So we've got our hero, we have our shows. Go down to that. It's going to be let's do it over here. Text center, MIDI, text left. And what other ones we got? We have supply. So again, text center, MIDI, text left. I'm really hoping to like kind of iron out some of these designish bits, which have been put off for quite a while. The last couple of days, I've been quite fatigued, so I've really not touched any of this code. I just wanted to sleep. Something, maybe I just dehydrated or something, or tired because of little doggo down here. Wearing me out, and it's not normal for me to get up at midnight and 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. and 7 a.m. to take him out. But he's fine. He just lives here rent free and eats all the food and drinks all the water and gets all the love. So that's all right. Cool. I'm gonna make that as a commit point because I like to kind of close them off when we hit them. So to be gonna be completely honest, with these projects, my side projects are a complete mess compared to what I do professionally in Shopify, and for my clients, well, in Shopify, Soulection being one of my kind of side project clients at the moment, my commit messages on my side projects are a bit more loose because I'm the only one doing it, and it's not really expected for anyone else to really pick it up or understand for the future sake things. So yeah, take things as a pinch of salt. That is not representative of my daytime job. So we've just central aligned home page here, artwork. Boop that. Which we plan Spencer referring live streaming on twitch.tv / Kyle Wells. HTTP s : / Oof. Cool. Each time I push the master or main, the site gets built and deployed. But I like to just kind of bundle them and then deploy it as a big hunk. So what next? We'll go over to github.com. Try it again. Kyle Wellsby / selection v4 selectiontracklist.com. And fortunately, I had Dorian make a whole bunch of like little tweak messages, which helped me keep a track of this. Oh, let's see if I can pick off some of these. So we got the team. Instead of the team behind Soulection. So I've got a title font change there. That's an easy one. Let's go and do that. So that will be in about, and we're going to do a font header. The team. So we go over to about now. Oh, and we want it uppercase. Is it upper? Yeah. And these titles here, the thing about these ones is we're using the Nuxt typography, so it's already baked in. And if I change that title, it's going to change the titles in our privacy policy. I think that might be a bit too much. I'm not too sure. Oh wait, no, it's a lie. About titles right here. So class font header uppercase. Boop. And then I'm going to learn from last stream. There was echo coming from my TV as I was speaking, so just put that on mute. So it hopefully shouldn't be a problem this time. We save that. There we go. Oof, that's a bit strong. Let's go and fix that. Oh, and I want just to head to. Yeah, that's better. The team. I can't do the one pick stroke, can I? Tailwind CSS text outline. Maybe I can. This is interactivity outlines. Let's see if there is a text decoration. No, I don't think there is a outline. There's a hack you can do. It's like a text stroke. No, that's for the icons. We can put a plugin, but I didn't really want to bring in a whole plugin to make that work. So I'm going to keep it as this to avoid having to over-engineer it. Cool. So let's quickly throw that in. Let's fix here, fix number 70 about title font style, font family. Save. Cool. I've remembered to keep a water bottle at hand because I've been needing to keep hydrated. I've gone through one of these today, a couple of coffees. That's about it really. So I need to make sure I'm hydrated, otherwise I get a headache. Shall we check on Tadashi? Oh, there he is. He's got his eyes open. Aww. Good little boy. What? We notice Tadashi, he's on a indoor lead, so he doesn't like wander everywhere. With him being young, he's still adventurous and will want to check different places out. So I keep him confined to a space in the living room, just so then I don't lose him, or he doesn't start messing up plate things, ripping things to pieces. Even though he's been super good, isn't he? Good boy. Over here. Buddy. I think that's like the biggest new addition to the stream. The doggo cam. I will make the cam a bit better. I might actually keep it permanently on, but it's fine. I quickly patched it in. That's why I was like a few seconds late. Right, let's have a look at this one. Track component, text hierarchy, and color stamps. Oh, this one's a very interesting one. So when we go over to a track list, and say we go to 501, hopefully it's got the right track list in here. Everything looks a bit samey, and it says it here. So we're wanting to kind of set these weights a bit better. That's what I think. Update the timestamp so that it's from white to grey. Use number of tracks. So it's about 80% opacity. So easy. GGEZ. So that's going to be in track lists. Nope, it's not going to be in components. Shows. Ooh, I think I might have it split in a different area. Chapter. Nope. Track. Yeah, here we go. Track list item. Yep, this is looking like it. There's our track number. There's the artwork which goes with it. So there's the track number and artwork. And we got this timestamp. So we want the dark text opacity to be 80 and text opacity. You're probably wondering why did I just put in this dark? Well, because I have a dark theme enabled, there is actually a light theme to this whole site, but I've put dark as default. So when you don't add in dark, it doesn't know that there's a text opacity change. That will still not work on this case because I need to say that the dark text is white and dark opacity, but our default text is going to be black, I think, or grey 500. It looks like it's grey at 500 there. Oh no, let's just go for black. Even though I don't test it. I might actually dial that a little bit back. Let's bring these sites side by side. What we're looking at is this numbered section here. So when let's go for 50. That's looking better. I'm gonna go with that. So our timestamp, we have a font weight, so let's make that lighter. So font light, I don't know, text light. It's already as light as it can be. Yeah, it's font light. Yeah, super light on that one. Then our track name is going to be that, and then our artist name is going to be light again. So where's our fallback? Oh, and we want to change the order as well. Font medium. The title will be medium, and it's going to be light. And update the numbered tracks. Yeah, that looks so much better. Might even go for TailwindCS font. Wait, let's forget if medium is. Yeah, medium is 500, and our light is 300. Yeah. So this is a fix for. It's fix number 69. Track list item. Oh. Fonts. Contrast. Beep. Oh, we are smashing through these. Easy. Wish I was this clued up with other things. So we're done 69, we're done 70. Let's have a little look at this track play button. The upper arrow at the moment kept me thinking that the button was going to bring up menu up and spot the track on the spot of the track. Instead, the track list page is taking me to the track page itself. Made me realise we don't have a way to do that yet. Some functionality considered here. But now let's make the button a simple stroke, right arrow pointing, hover state 100%. So what's going on there is when we play the show, we have this here, and I try not to touch the player because it breaks a lot. We have player controls, and that's going to be the icon over here. Oh, that's the skip forward. Where is it? Oop. Toggle. Backwards. Oh, that's the controls. Sorry, me. It's the display. Yes, there it is. Yep, there we go. That's the ticket. So I want to change this to use our site button icon. It's going to be right arrow right. Give that a try. And I probably don't need to have this. Okay, let's try that again. How about icon? Site icon. Whew. I just thought that would be the issue. So icon, site icon, we have arrow right. Yes, we do have it in place. Why are you not having it? We do have it. We also have a site button. So in theory we could replace all of this with site button, but I want to make sure this icon's working. Let's give it another try with site button hello world. And I think site button, does it take? Oh, site icon button. Let's give that one a try. Site icon button with icon arrow right. There should be two of them now. Oh, I just realised that the player is not working properly. content window. Oh, that's nice. Don't even know which one that is. That's our button. Okay, cool. There we go. Nice and clean. Okay, so this is a problem. Send message player content window. So our play pause is not working. That's a real big problem. We don't need this. Actually, I'll just get rid of that later. I'm going to do a site cleanup. We don't need that either. That's redundant. And this link should take you to the track. And this one takes you to the show. Okay, so we got one of those fixed. Let's add that in. We bug. Fix. What number was it? It's number 73. Oop, 73. Player. Head to track page icon. Oop. But we've identified a new bug. I'm not logged in. We'll fix that straight away while we're on it right now. Hopefully it doesn't take us down a crazy rabbit hole. So what's happening with this this play button is we're hitting a toggle. It's this one, and this toggle is sending off a toggle to our player state. Let's come out of that. Look at the. Oh, so lonely. There's apparently 2 people watching though. Hello. Store. So we use Vuex to get the show details and all the timestamps into memory. So in theory, it's only got to work for long form audio and not for our chaptered, separated pieces of content. That probably makes no sense. Let's see if we can quickly show what I meant about that. Open up this. We have sometimes a show, like all day, where there's been multiple DJ sets in that kind of day, which are uploaded separately to SoundCloud. And my player assumes that there's only one long form audio. So at the moment it's not going to understand play from this file and a tracklist are in this file and then play this file and the tracklist are in this. So that's why there's no button to play this one, because I've not fixed that just yet. But we still have the track data. We actually have the track data and the timestamps in most cases, which is super, super handy. And when I get around to fixing the kind of separated piece of content, that'd be great. As you can see on here, this is a multi-set. So back to our little bug here. Oop, let's pop that over there. Our bug is a toggle. There's a no op because it's subscribed to on the player widget. So even though it's there, we go back over to our components, go to player, and play widget. I like that I left a note for myself there that when I'm digging around, yeah, it's over here. And how we subscribe to it is right here. Kind of. Toggle. Yeah. So when we mount this component, we've subscribed to the player toggle. So we send a message toggle. but it's saying that player window on send message, so down here, onto window, is undefined. But does this work? It could be working. How about if I unmute it? Is that because... So if I play it... Yeah. The bug happened to be that I muted it, and thus there is no bug, in a way. Although I've not caught that case where we're muted. Cool. That's a non-issue. It's only issue when I mute that tab. I mute the tab because when I click this and plays it on stream, and I didn't want that to happen. Okay, don't need to worry about that bug. Let's continue on through our issue smashing session. Boom. About page. So title and copy. So we have it's in a 2 column. We want to change it to 2 column, it looks like. That's what the second picture attached. Bring the line height. This only works on desktop, so hopefully it works. Oh, do I have to do this? I don't want it. Add in a break line after the musical instrument. Oh, I can do that. I can add a break line. Content. About. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Yeah, let's do that. Let's close off these other tabs. Keep it nice and clean. Go to About page. Yeah. So we updated the core facts. Line break. But I'm not too sure because the 2 column. I'm going to change that back to a... Where are we at? Pages about... Let's change it back to H1. Nice and chunky, like the team down below. Make it big again. I don't want that extra large. Yeah, that's a decent size, maximum size. And here we go over to mobile. Yeah, it saves me having to mess around with like 2 columns and stuff. I like it like that. So I'm only doing half this request. Oh, that man's left. He's gone for a little. Decided to go into his crate. Let's see. Change it around. There we go. Doggo Cam's still on form. Let's see. There we go. He's doing alright. I got distracted then. Number 6 is 74. Add in the break lines and we remove the thing. So it's going to be an improvement. Fix number 74. About page in typography. Boom. Let's go. So that one's done. Back to the issues. That was the about. Loader. Page loader needs to be updated with a dark. Oh, okay. So what I think is happening on that page load. Let's open up. Let's check a little man. He's having a little wonder now. It's actually having some water. Hello, man. You got this. Good boy. He loves the strokes. Again, totally distracted. It was the page loader. So when we are transitioning from, say, records to track lists, there's a page loader at the top, but we don't see it. So Nuxt page loader. I think there is a way in how we can customize the progress bar. Boom, there it is. Where is this? Is this in the Nuxt config? Right below the loader. Color white. Color red. Height 2 pixels. Height 5 pixels. Let's go. Oh, we can actually add in our own CSS. Set false to remove page progress styles and add your own. Right to left or left to right. Or we can add in our own component. But I didn't want to go too crazy. Hopefully that's... Oh, I noticed that needs centering better. Now it doesn't even exist. Let's see, is our... Oh yeah, it's still building. He's chewing. Don't chew on that. Good boy. Deco streams. Oh, it's still not doing a thing. Where do we put that loader? Is out of box notes give you a load in progress that's shown on it loading. Oh, it's loading, not loader. He's off again. Where are you going to, little man? Hey? Oh, that's not a good sign. He's hearing something outside in the other room, so he's curious about it. But equally, him heading towards that way means that he might need to go for the toilet. And he did go out about an hour ago, so we should technically be okay. Fingers crossed, otherwise we're going to have a mess on our hands. I don't want that. We're doing so well. Let's crack on with these additionals. Should have a page. Let's go. Yes, that's better. That looks more. Zoop, poof. Yep, I like that. That's so much better. So that's a built-in loader. I can customize the loader to something a bit better. Oh, one sec. Little man's done that to bed. Camera is Cool. Length and 75. Boop. That's an improvement. Fix number 75. Improve loader visibility. Boop. Oh, I need to. Do I need to add in changes? Yeah, there we go. Done a little adventure again. Yep, so we've hit through that one. Let's quickly get some more done. Some page loader, about team card. So we've already done the corner radius, I think. So it's gonna be mobile, the team, nice and central. I like that. Oh, icons. They need fixing. Let's go. Let's close this down. It's a different round, meaning that he's yeah, he needs to go on out. So we're going to take a 5-minute break, I think, and we'll be back because you know Doug's got to go do what Doug's got to do. So until then, enjoy the music. I'm going to turn that back up, and I'll be back in about 5 minutes. You miss me? Sorry about that. The little man had to go out, and he was a super good boy. We made it all the way outside, and he's now on a Kong. So we'll get back to where we were at. Thank you for waiting. So yeah, it's these icons which we want to kind of get done. They happen on all sizes, so I'm going to fix that because I changed them after a little while. So it's about team member. Hope you guys are still doing okay and keeping yourself hydrated. I need to remember to keep myself hydrated. I didn't even go to the toilet myself, it's just little man. Yeah, he's doing good. Right, so I did change them. Circle, we don't need that. Memory titles. I've completely forgotten what was I doing with this code. And why was I doing this code? So we have these socials, they need changing. Okay, cool. That fixed mostly that one issue. Got a little padding issue happening inside there. So that's the track link. So let's go into track link. Padding right. Put that onto the text if it appears. That should fix that. The other area where these icons are being used, let's jump on over to Tracklist, into a track of say this jagged, and these are the other areas. You see that the text is exactly the same component, but just used slightly differently. And we have an icon missing. This website. You know what I'm going to do to fix that? That's going to be in, let's make it side and side. That one icon there. That's going to be in components, site, icon, icons. We do have an icon for web. But I also want to make it website as well. So this includes this icon. I'm going to drop that last part of that condition. So it's going to be web and website. And it should come into play. Boom. Yes. So he's gone and lost his Kong. Oh, he's got it. Yes. Good boy. It sometimes rolls away from him. Yeah, that's looking much better. But now we've got these connect with selection, which I want to fix. Which is going to be the font header uppercase. Same as the team, kind of selection, and we'll get rid of those white spots again. One of them's off kill. What's that one? Oh, Discord. Oh, please. Ah, no. And why is it off center? That's so random. Justify center. Probably should have just put that as a grid and be done with it. Grid calls auto. Let's have a look at the documentation for Tailwind. I want the templating to go automatically. Ah, here we go. Auto. Like that. Did it do the thing? Yes, it did the thing! Now I want to get the Discord sketch. And I should be able to grab this SVG. Oh, come on, don't make me log in. How about this one? Will this one have it? I don't want a PNG. SVG, download it. I'll steal the thing in there. Let's make it. So maybe yeah, I got it in this one. Want a new artboard. It's gonna be 24 by 24. And I completely forgot how the icons work. Just pop that in there. Drop off that shape. Make the artboard background a color so I can see what I'm designing. I think it was like up to the edge. Now I can export the shape. Exclude the background. Oop. Hopefully that's intended. Discord SVG, and how I do these is throw them into SVG OMG. I can just drop it in. Wherever I saved it. Can I just show me? It's in desktop. Yeah, my desktop's gonna be a mess. I should be able to grab all that. Icon view. DIS key OR. There it is. If this icon Discord return that. Oop. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, we need that to be put into the fill. He's now chasing after his Kong. No, he's stolen one of my shoes. That's not for you. That's for you. The rascal, huh? Yeah, this has been the last couple of weeks of me like stopping him from eating everything. Back to the code. So how I've got these site icons is I just take that initial path, and mostly they're strokes, but I have a few like triggers which say that instead of a stroke, fill the SVG. In this case, Discord will be a filled. And now that looks really good. The default size is 24 pixels by 24 pixels to get the size in. Just kind of, we know each is going to be within that constraint. I kind of think I should have this site-wide. Like in the footer. So instead of in the About Us, I'm going to make that as a component. And he stole it again. Not for you. You. He's all playful because he's now finished off his Kong and he's wanting more treats and play. So we're going to try and get through this particular ticket. I've kind of gone off tangent with this one. I was going to make a component. So it's going to be a site socials.view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this connect with selection, export that into Pug like this. And it's going to have to be a div. It's going to put me as crate. Let's give that a try. He's back in his crate. It's best containing, otherwise he's running around all the place and I don't know where he's going to go. Number 2. So he doesn't do it in his crate. And after this stream, we will take him out for a good walk and he can do all of the necessaries. We've got a little tiny bit left to do. And it's going to be the site socials. We'll just pop into there. And broken. Oh, okay. Page socials. It's unique to the about page. So we're going to move those into our script. Data. And return an array. This array is going to be the about.markdown. How I get the socials is here. Could actually put that in a better place actually. Nuxt config. And make this a bit bigger. Socials here. Platform. Let's reprogram that because it's in. Is YAML to JSON. That'll do it. So now I have that piece configured. I don't usually do this. I can go config socials. Oh, he's whinging because he's in, and he's chewing up his. Oh, you like this bone? Ooh, here we go. Go. Go, this. The stream is half a dog stream, half a coding stream. Did I break my... Yeah. I broke my server. Yeah, I kind of have them in 2 different locations. But it should be fine because I want to put socials separately. The site socials. How have I done it in the about container flex call item center? Cool. Now it's in there. I'm going to dump it from there. And instead, it's going to be on the footer across the entire site because I think it makes sense. Footer, container, and let's go here. Site, socials. Now on every single page at the bottom, connect with selection will be there. I think that's a good choice. That's a good action there. Let's close off some of these tabs now. Trying to keep a bit of organization going on. Oh, we wanted a little divider. Let's go back to about. Oh yeah, it's a bit too bright. So pages, it's going to be the member. And how did I do it? It was a border opacity 50%. Let's give that a try. That didn't work. It totally should have worked. Oh, I probably need to put in a border color. So dark border, white border, black. Dark. Border opacity. Yeah, when you're coding for light and dark themes, you have to do it like that. I think, I might be able to show you what the light theme looks like. Yeah, broken. Straight up broken. It does automatically switch to the other theme, but I think I've got a color happening somewhere. Yeah, there's our background color. I can actually fix that. How do I fix that? Layouts, default, dark. There we go. We have a light and dark theme. How pretty is that, huh? Comes back when... So, we do actually have them working, although some parts don't work. That's when we're in the mobile view. We can go to mobile and we can, and if we put back dark, refresh the page, put it back dark, you'll see that it fades nicely. Nice fade. Okay, cool. Quickly moving on. So 76 is done. So we added in our socials into our page. We fixed up the members. We added it under footer. We made a component. We fixed up the icons, including the Discord icon. We fixed up the margin and padding around the icons so that they fit right. And come back to our about page. So they hover right. And we've made the dark mode fix, and we moved that to connect with selection to the footer. So that's a whole bunch of tweaks. Fix number 76. Social icon. Let's try that again. Social icons on about and footer. Next. Oop. Okay, so that's an easy one. This is the hover animation, and if I quickly go, that's a very, very simple, easy fix. Site nav. I have a hover. Hover. No, site nav link. It should transition. Okay, really slow down, smooth approach with the right text. Oh, okay, so I can't use padding on the underline. Well, I don't think I can. Oh, I thought it was just simply the transition speed. Let's have a little try. Let's have a little try at what we want. Border, bottom, two. Plunk it in. White. Okay, what's the gig? Why is that not coming in? Ah. I'm in the nav bar. This should be the one. Let's add in the transition. Nice smooth transition, cool. I want to move that transition there. Yeah, border, bottom, 2. Border, white. totally should be working, so I'm a bit confused. Border solid. Oh, there it is. How about? Let's get rid of this border bottom 0 and make it small border transparent. So now it'll always have the border spacing, and then when we hover, we make it white. We don't need the solid. Now we can get rid of the underline. Yeah, that looks nice. I want to make that text opacity a bit more. And the border opacity. Border opacity 80. Oh, that's really delicious. I like that. Where are we at? So let's add that in quickly. Boop, boop. Makes it nice. Fix is number 77. Nav bar I link. Hover state. Should we have a little check in with my little man? He's really loving that hoof. He's got his hoof in his hoof. Get in there. You're enjoying that. Distracted. Well enough. Good boy. Yeah. Awesome. So let's continue on. I'm smashing through these, and it seems like our little guy is distracted well enough. So we just did 77. Let's go for 78. Oh. So player has a focus state that is also selected when the player cursors over. When using keyboard controls, skips on. Yeah, I was afraid of this one. Just go into random one and play the show. Let's get this outline. Oh, I don't know. What? Bring offset 4. Or even just get rid of it completely. Got that blue outline. So controls, Bing, ring. Get rid of it completely. Oh no, it doesn't.
Future.
That's better. Get rid of that. The colour and the colour whiteness. And let's get rid of the offset. Yeah, that's all right. I'll live with that. Why did I close that? So does it? Yeah, I like that. That's a bit better. We have links all around the site which have the same sort of pattern. It's a bit confusing. Wasn't expecting it to have a double link. Oh well. Keyboard focus. Add that in. Boop. Fix player keyboard focus control. Let's continue on our epic journey of going through all of these and fixing them. We're just in player focus state. Homepage mobile. Full width not rounded. Oh, I think I did most of these last time, and the icons on mobile, the arrow menus are not showing up. The down arrow on mobile. Let's update it to 64 pics. Where it's central aligned on mobile. Make a link to the animation trigger. Okay, so homepage, mobile. Refresh the page. So it looks like it's loading, but let's have a look on my mobile device here and confirm whether we are. Oh, I need to change the focus. Ooh. Let's put it on autofocus for a second. So the part which we're dealing with is this icon here, and it looks like it's in place, and the icon's up the top there. So we're looking good, and it looks like we have Dorian who's just messaged in. Ha, cling it. Sup? How you doing, man? I'll pull that up as well. Yeah, we're smashing through all of those little issues on GitHub. Thanks for tuning in, man. So Dorian is actually viewing, but he's not in the chat. But do say hi. Hi. Maybe just tuned in. We got a little man behind us. He's doing a hoof. Loving it. So this on the home page. We have this button icon. Justify end. Can I just do the items center? Ooh, I don't like that. Can I just align self center? It doesn't exist. Let's go ahead and give it another try in our home page. Home hero. Site icon, align, go into here, and what am I looking for? Align self. Self-center. How's it going over there in California, Dorian? You doing good? We're so close to getting this released. Oh, that looks nice. Let's just check it on we're gonna have to go for small self start. Give him a little note. Yeah, boy. Okay, let's give that a little test. Does it? Oof. X small. Oh yeah. Mostly. Oh gosh, no. Medium. We want it central and then boop. Boop. Large. Breakpoints, eh? Oh, that's the ticket right there. Welcome to the sound of tomorrow, bub. Yeah. Anyways, we go down to this small size. We changed the rounding on that so it looks a bit more tasty. Because there's 5 images, I still think it looks good. They're not functional. Now, let's update it to 6 pixels. So yeah, let's make it a bit bigger. So that's gonna be width. I don't know, 10, height 10. Oof. And it's gonna be block. Oh come on, why? I wanted that to work. Oh, oh, because we got block and flex. Can I just put it into its own? Or is it? Oh, it's probably got competing sizes. I bet you it's got like a min and max in there. Yeah, min, max 8. So we need to do max height 10, min height width 10. I know we got those the wrong way around. And I'm going to inspect. Should I go bigger? Are we going bigger? Boop, boop, boop. 12? Broken. Oh yeah, because I don't have those max points in our Tailwind. I have 12, 32, 48. So I think 32 is going to be too big. It could be massive. So let's go for just 10. I didn't want to add in yet another point of height. That's nice. And you probably notice when we go on to this size, this one here has a little kind of fail to it because the margin left happens. And little guy's starting to complain now. I think he's lost it. Oh no, he's not. He's doing good. On our page section, so we've got records. Let's go on records. I did them individually, I think. Oh, it's here. Yeah, I could have done with putting it into its own component. I'm gonna be lazy and just not put its own component. So it's this margin left which is causing this issue. So we'll change that to a margin right. Quiet, please. Give me half an hour. Yeah? We'll go for a big walk. Okay? Good boy. Yeah, he's looking up at me. complaining, saying that he wants to go out for another walk, or I want a more tasty treat. We've got about half an hour, and we'll smash through this. Hopefully, little man doesn't start screaming before then. Looking better. I've had better ones, but I think that's pretty decent for what we're working with. So we'll quickly add that into shows because that's the same issue. Oh, and I want to test. If we come back up to here, just do. Boop. Yep, that works nicely. So it's going to be Duke margin, and we're going to get rid of this margin left, and the same with supply. Margin right, get rid of margin left. Now all those should be nicely fixed. Oh, poor man. Yeah, don't know if you can hear that, but very often he's like, "Please, take me out, human. I want to go out." So, now he's showing his toy and whinging. He's giving up now. He's upset. He is pretty damn cute. Yeah, oh, he's so demanding. That's why for the last couple of weeks I've taken the time off. I really want to get to this end point and not have to take another break on stream. What? You want some water? Let's give him some water because he's been chewing a sweet a chew toy and he might be a bit thirsty. We're getting there. Yeah, when he chews that toy or that hoof, he gets really thirsty. So it might be a bit salty and just tries him out. But he's probably going to complain at me in a second now, saying that he wants to go out for a wee. Let's have a look. He's pretty chill. He's a little whinge. We got 20 minutes to rattle off. I need to commit this. Let's commit it. I know, boy. We're almost there. Fix. No, we're actually going to go with. It's a bug fix. Fix it. 49. Home page icon spacing. Let's crack on through. The homepage, mobile, 69, 81, let's go. Okay, so the divide line, let's change it to this color? I don't even know. Hex color. I type it in. Okay, that's pretty. Turn that off, go over to records. Yeah, it's a bit offensive, isn't it? One pix width. I can't really do one pix. I might be able to do it actually. I can't. Border width. It's like hairline. Oh, yeah, I can. I was just thought I couldn't. So it's going to be in components, site, sub now, view. And I have this border. I just drop off the 2, boop, and that's a good to go. And I guess we're going for a custom color. Actually, I could have just gone for a white opacity 25 or 20. How far away is that from the color, the custom color we've put in? Oh, it's still very far away. Oh, wait. So that's that. Hit save. To darker or brighter? Exactly the same. That's 20%. Yeah, cool. So I don't need to mess around with custom colors. Cool, cool, cool. Omit the number from here, instead display it under title. You got a valid point there, mate. So that's going to be on Tracklists. At the moment, yeah, they are broken. Pages, Tracklists, index, shows subnav. So let's go to that. And it's in a locale. See you later. And we're really going to put it solo shows with Joe K, takeover shows. Omit the number, instead display it in the title. Okay, so we're going to page. No, it's going to be T. Type. And there's a shows with filter. Okay, let's check that one. Shows with filter. Yeah, it's here. Scenes with interview the tab will repeat the same as guest appearances. Yeah, I'll need to fix those ones. Okay, so yeah, we're going to have to put in our translation for those. Filter titles. And this is going to be the N solo shows Joe K. N takeover shows. N the people choice shows. N Discord editions. N shows with guests. N the shows with interviews. N shows with missing. And N selection radio shows. I need to restart the server for that to come into play. The downside of that... Am I using titles anywhere? I'm not yet. I need to v text equals title like that. Oh, I am using it somewhere. Oh, I'm a little bit confused. But I do definitely need to restart the server for the those that come into play. Types. in selection. Yeah. Oh. This one. Yeah. There. And count. Oh yeah, that's pretty tasty. And that show filter I think is actually currently not used. And yeah, I do need to fix those the order. So let's fix that now. I think show subnav tags. Oh come on. Page type tag names. Config tag names. Nuxt. Tag names, solo. Bring this one up. Take over. This code at the end. And get rid of interview. Wait for the server to fully rebuild. Refresh. Oh, that's where the title is. Okay, so type takeover shows. Need to put in the TC. And count this dot count. Yeah, I think I buggered that up. And there should be 500 selection shows. I just realized. Right, we go to all. We got 15 more minutes, yeah? He's super patient. Oh, what am I doing? Subnav. I wanted to add an extra subnav, which is just all. Which could be 2. It could be track lists. All. And that's undefined. It's knocked over his water. We're getting there. He said streaming and having a dog is the best thing you can do ever. Because each time I come back, I'm like, where was I? It's an index, I think. Got hero. Oh, shows with filters. So and it's complaining because it doesn't know what this type is. V if title. He's really desperate to going out. Gotta wait just a little tiny bit more. All track lists. Oh yeah, I need to restart the server each time I do that. Let's have a look at the pagination, see if it does the output. Oh gosh, I did not expect that one to be broken. Oh, that's going to be in shows. Nope. It's not going to be in shows. Find a node. Be in tracklist page, pagination. Let's get rid of that. Is there anything else I need to do? Page undefined. This page. Oh, this params. Page of undefined. Why? Come on, please. Yes. No. Oh. Give it to me, please. Debugger. Cool. Got in a debugger. This router params. Current route params. There we go. Get rid of debugger, refresh the page. Last little bit, yeah, page 2, sweet. And this will be updated when I restart the server. Tracklist. Episodes, we want to fix that. While I'm in that mindset of tracklist. Yeah, I'm happy with that, and I don't like it in there no more. Page T. Oh, if you just do this as null and go over to here, I can then put in front of these. Oh, just do it automatically. Oh, yes! We just put a null in, it just drops it. Take over shows. solo shows, guest appearances. Solo shows is not really. Might just disable it for now. Yes, because I don't. I'll get rid of it. And I get rid of the. Why is that still there? Oh, nice. We got the Discord editions, which I've not imported just yet. And make sure we got the takeover shows in place and all. This header to fix up latest show. Cool. So I think we fixed up the episodes. Let's quickly set that in. Oop. Subnav, filter nav. I'm going to restart the server just to be sure about that little last bit. Feel like I'm in a bit of a rush because little man, he's poofed out now. He wants to go on out. Let's do the fixes 81 track list title link navbar. We also have a fix on the records. Just this navbar looks nice, and all track list nice. Oh, he's still having a bit of a whinge. It's like a naughty boy who's been told off. Okay, so this, while I'm here, because these pages are broken, these are pages, records, T type, and it's trying to hide panel. It's trying to hold on from tags, but I've not finished it off. So tags, I forgot. But previously I've done it before. So type, all this to the side. This is how I mostly code my things. Shows with filter. No, it's not in there either. Show list. Episode list. Oh, come on. I must have done it somewhere. Oh, it's in the computation. There it is. And we want tags. OV tags include we need to get the root. So we have params type. I might be able to H1 That's a dead page. What I want to do is include the title. Does that make sense? But I'm going to do that on another time because we're not getting through these titles, tags. Table plus. Get onto the server. X albums, and they should have tags. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go through and sort all those. Because they should be like this white label. And it's complaining. Must introduce explicit array dimensions. What I am. Like this. That's an array. Is it? Why must it start with that? Oh well, I'll deal with that another time. You have shows, show number 500. Let's find the show 500. Or equal to 500. And this is meant to be a... I need to find the tag. I know, mate, it's time. It's time. Let me just quickly add in these last... It's greater than 497. Apply. Okay, I'm well confused. Why is that? I just... 490... What's the last one on the Soulection radio? It was 198. In the database 198, and I think it's number 15. Tags data tag 15, yeah. So show 500, it's missing 15. Save. Oh, come on! Discard Postico. That application wasn't like in my thing. So title contains 499. Save. 500. Save. And then do it. 501. Oh yeah, I do. Save. 502, lucky? Nope. Refresh the page, they should appear. I have a script I need to fix when I do the import to make sure those are in, which I'll definitely forget. But we've done so much. Do you have any more code to commit? I'll do this commit. And what is this one? Do this. This is a bug fix. Fix records and track list types. Being lazy on that one, I'm going to also push. Send it. going. Now if we go onto our actions, we should see them. Ship. Now. Guess. Ship it. I don't recall having a commit called ship. Oh, it must be the action name. Make sure it's the right commit. Yeah, that looks good. So that's going to be heading up to our deployment now, going through its linters. Hopefully it goes through the tests okay, and then it should be deployed to our staging environment where the selection crew will check over. That's pretty awesome to get through so many of those issues in. Oh yeah, awesome! It automatically closed those issues as well. Win. To get through so many of those issues today in 2 hours. I set myself. We had a little tiny break to take little man out. He's wanting to go out again, and I'm gonna need to have some food. So I'm gonna end it here. It's been a long while. We spent all of April offline, and now we're getting back in our groove. Hopefully I can kind of keep doing these. I'm going to keep heading for the 6 p.m. Wednesdays UK time, or whatever time it is respectively in your location. I think it will be 1 p.m. New York, and I don't have Los Angeles. Oh wait, it will be 10 a.m. Los Angeles time from 6. So I hope to see you guys here next week. Where hopefully maybe we have the site shipped and we're doing some bug fixes, and also we have an administration panel for this site to build, which is in its infancy, but it's going to make life so much easier keeping this site maintained, because there's so much content which happens, and moderating. And along with that, in the future after that is community submissions. We have a few features around that, so there's a lot to do on this project. Didn't say that this project's going to be finished once it's shipped. It's still ongoing. I just took a little bit of a time out to rest. I'm still not fully rested, but we're getting there. We're getting back into a productivity vein. Gonna take a little look at little man. Yeah, he's doing good down there. Still chewing on that thing. We're gonna take him out for another walk, and get some food. Oh, look at him. See, I'm gonna get him out. Come on, Sashi. Come on. Oh. There he is. There's Tadashi. Yeah, he's named after Japanese, and well, it's a Japanese name, and Big Hero 6. Makes him super cute, and he's a big hunky boy now. He's grown. He was little tiny, and I could pick him up in one hand, but now it's just a two-hand job. How are you growing so much, man? Huh? So yeah, this is my little pup, which been keeping me busy for the last couple of weeks. Go say hi. He's squirming around. So yeah, see you guys next week. Yeah, I'll definitely do one next week. I'm sorry. Thank you very much for joining me today. I need to press a few buttons now. That one. So thank you for joining me. See you next time.